Hi guys, so today we are gonna unbox and review the Alienware mouse, which is the AW610M. Let's see what do we have in here. Oh, some bubbles, nice. And let's get this bad boy out. Alright. And here we have it, the Alienware 610M. Let's go around the box a little bit. You got 16,000 DPI and 7 keys that you can program. And just like the keyboard, 16.8 million RGB. And actually this box is pretty nice. As you guys can see all these flections. And now let's get it open. It should be slide out just like so, right? Ding, 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 ding. Let's take this bad boy out. So that's the mouse. So there's our cable, and here's our USB connector and our manual pack. And let's get this plastic out. And my first impression, guys, this is really a nice mouse. I really like the design and also the color. This is gonna be a perfect match for all the Aurora systems, from all the way to R9 and to the newest, which is the R13. And the weight is just right. It's not so heavy and not so light. And also the size is perfect. And my finger won't be like this, which is too small, and won't be like this, which is too big. This is just right. And also this mouse can be used for both hands. If you're left-handed, this is right for you. And if you're right-handed, this is right for you too. And I don't feel that bulky at all. Because when I look at the pictures of this mouse, it looks kind of bulky. But when you actually have this on hand, it's actually a very slim look mouse. And now let's take a look at the weight and the dimension of the mouse. So this guy weighs 4.2 ounces. And this guy measured from the top to the bottom is 5.25. And the width, which is gonna be these two wings, is a 3-inch. And this mouse can be used both wired and wireless. And for some reason, if you want to use the cable, which is the wired, and this cable is measured 6 feet long. And the material for this mouse is of course the plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. It's very well built. The build quality is very solid. And the color for this particular one is the lunar light. And you can always choose the dark side of the moon to match your setup. And here's the left key, the right key, and our scroll wheel, and the DPI adjust button. On this side, we have the forward key, the backward key. And on the bottom of the mouse, here's our USB receiver. So we're gonna just put this onto our PC. And this is our power button. And that's the speed adjust for the scroll wheel. And to charge the mouse, here's a port right here. So you plug in the USB in here to charge it. And now let me show you guys a little clip of how it sounds when we click it. And the battery life for this mouse, I haven't fully tested yet because I don't use it a lot during the day. I only use it for 2 to 3 hours a day. And this guy lasts me about a month to recharge it. And to check your battery, it's really simple. All you need to do is go to Alienware Command Center. And on the home page, you should have all your devices over here. So just choose the mouse right here. And you go to the battery icon. And it should tell you what's the percentage of the mouse right now. Or you can go to FX and choose the mouse and go from here. And when we talk about the RGB lighting, this part right here is RGB. The Alienware head is RGB. And there's another RGB on each side of the wings. So total 4 RGB lighting. And so many color combinations that you can find in Alienware Command Center. And that's what we're going to find out next. So let's connect this guy to our PC and take a look how the RGB goes. Okay, so after you plug in the receiver into your PC, all you need to do is open your Alienware Command Center and it will automatically detect it by your PC. And now you just go to FX and you will see your mouse right here. And here's the keys that we can program. So when you click edit, and here's some effects that we can choose from. There's morph, and also there's a pause, or just a color that you want. You can choose it green, purple, blue, or an orange. Or you can use one of my favorite, and this is gonna be a perfect match for the rainbow effect. And I really wish we can edit the RGB lighting individually, just like the keyboard, but unfortunate we can't. I guess I'm gonna stay with the color wave. It looks fantastic. And overall guys, if you are an Alienware fan, this is a must buy for your setup. And now, let's go to the video giveaway. Alright guys, so to enter the giveaway, it's really easy and free. All you need to do is leave a like, subscribe the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything. And also leave the comment in my most recent video. And the next winner might be you. And now, let's see who is the lucky fish. Dun, 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 dun. Congratulations, ZL! Woohoo! So that is pretty much everything for this video. Thank you for watching, and as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out!